continue studying the book of John Gray. What your mother couldn't tell you, your father didn't know. So, ano ba yung lesson natin today? It's how women sound demanding. So, nandun pa rin tayo sa point ng wife ni Sir John Gray at si Bonnie at saka siya. They were in a foreign land, tapos nagutom si Ma'am Bonnie and she asked not for them to eat first. So, pero that simple challenge for the day could ignite differences sa dalawang tao. So, without knowing the value of this approach, many women instinctively began sharing their feelings before asking a man to do something. So, like ito, what she says, I can't keep going on like this. I am starving. I need to eat. So, ano ba yung naririnig ng man? He hears, you failed me again. You ruined everything. You better get me to a restaurant and I will be even more upset with you. So, iba yung ano natin, di ba yung language, kumbaga nagugutom lang yung woman, pero yung man, meron na siyang interpretation, which could start a conflict between two people kahit na nagbabakasyon sila sa foreign land. Or the woman can say, I feel exhausted, I need to eat, we are trying to do too much in one day. So ano ba yung naririnig ng man daw? You did it in the wrong again, you are trying to do more than I can do. And now my day is ruined. So galit na po. You better get me to a restaurant or I will be even more upset with you. So di ba po, grabe na yung situation when the problem is just nagutom lang yung wife, si Ma'am Bonnie. No? When a woman expresses her true feelings in this way, it's very hard for a man not to feel blame and control. So yun po parang feeling ng man is we're manipulating the situation, we're aggravating it, at hindi tayo makapag-time ng turn natin. So there's already conflict in communication. He feels that if he doesn't solve the problem immediately, she will be more and more upset with him. Instead of supporting her out of love, he is motivated out of fear or punishment, not a healthy motivation. For a friend, nandiyan ka ba sa ganyan situation? Just a simple challenge like nagutom si babae or si woman, nag-away na po kayo dahil parang pagod na siya and she wants to have her meal at hindi na makapag-antay. As a man understands a woman better, he can begin to dodge her feelings by understanding that she doesn't intend to be demanding. As a woman understands a man's perspective, it's become easier for her to choose an approach that is more supportive of him. So yan nga po kumbaga collaboration, understanding each other, our body languages, our inner motivations or feelings or belief about each other. So mariresolve po natin kahit na simpleng meal lang yan, nag-aaway na po tayo. So yun, it pays talaga to have advanced relationship skills, kumbaga collaboration, telling our feelings, our emotions, para magkaintindihan po tayo better. And everything is okay. Sana all, stay safe everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Hope you got inspired and encouraged today.